We are almost coming to the end of the whole exercise. This is the declaration of results. Before the declaration of results, we have checked the for declaration is that candidates must have at least 25% in at least two-thirds. And when we look at two-thirds in Taraba State, it's a question of controversy because it's still local government. So 16 divided by 3 will now give you 5.33 times 2 will now give you 10.66. Then you approximate to 11. And from the results, about two of the candidates have said that. Next is to look at the council votes and the margin between the first maximum votes and the second maximum votes. The first maximum vote is 2, 5, 7, 9, 2, 6. 2, 5, 7, 9, 2, 6. Second is 2, 0, 2, 2, 7, 7. 2, 0, 2, 2, 7, 7. The margin of lead is 5, 5, 6, 4, 9. 5, 5, 6, 4, 9. Total number of PVC collected, and while we have cancellation from 40G, so 15,258. 15258. And we have seen that 55649 is much greater than 15258. That means that we have satisfied the three conditions. One is 25% in at least 11 local government, meaning that 2/3, and the lead difference, the margin of lead is supposed to be more than the total number of visits cancelled, which is 15,258. This gives us the ability to now move on to the declaration of results. I, Professor M.A. Abdulazeez, the Vice Chancellor of Abubakar Tafawa University, Bauchi, hereby certify that I am the returning officer for the 2023 Taraba State Governorship election held on the 18th day of March, 2023. The election was contested. The candidate received the following votes. Hamman Mohammed Mbali, A party, 234 votes, 234. Gambo Abubakar Sadiq, AA, 1046, 1046. Joel David Charima, AAC, 222 votes. Mohammed A. Ibrahim, ADC, 781 votes. Mohammed Haman Abakar, ADP, 995 votes. Emmanuel Boacha, APC, 142,527 votes. Manu Fede Mure Sunday, Abga, 2,339. Ada Gideon Uniji, APM, 925. Umaru Anjuma, 419 votes. Bala Kabiru, 119. Joel Alami Kenya LP 3,225. Yahaya Mohammed Sani NNPP 202,277 votes. Ibrahim Sani NLM 657 votes. Kefas Agbu 257,926 votes. Wasa Josiah Ukari 7,823. Baido Aladi Tijo SDP 28,374. Saadu Abubakar Hassan YPP 1,121 votes. Amadou Bello ZLP 361 votes. That Kefas Agbu of PDP, having satisfied the requirement, has by declared the winner and is returned elected. Signed, M.A. Abdulazeez. Thank you for your time. And I want to ask all of us, as we have come to the end of these results, please, we try to bear and forgive each other, because these are issues that we come, we discuss, and we at least try to say our views. So we are doing this to make sure that this democracy have gone a long way in Nigeria. We want to thank everybody for coming. I will hope that when we will have next election, we hope that the Almighty will guide us to the successful conclusion of that election. Thank you very much.